કમિશનની બે મેથડ. There are two methods as we just discussed. One when total profit is given, another when partner's profit is given. Let's continue with the first one, that is total profit is given. At present we are solving exercise, textbook exercise question number 3, sub question 2, which is given on page number 30. Okay, on this basis ek wakhata clear thai jay, naturally you have to note down this in your classwork, as well as please, for the sake of practice, illustration 2 you have to solve it down. Already textbook ma solve karelu joy, as well as you are getting the concept of your exercise question. So pachi practice mate illustration you have to solve in your classwork. That is illustration number 2. Okay, let's continue. First of all, I'm going through the question. Question samajhwama dhyan rakhjo, because if you understand the question wrongly, naturally you may start your answer in a wrong direction. Let's continue to understand the question first. Total profit is given, dhyan rakhjo. The question is somewhat like this. Amruta and Divya are the partners of a firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Now this is the first point. Ja confused thai shakaય. Here they give you capital ratio, which is just an information given for confusion. We are not going to use this capital ratio anywhere in the answer. Okay, because we need profit and loss ratio, whether here it is given capital ratio. You may feel, sir, kadach apne capital ratio lai laiye, if we consider it, then this answer will be correct. Ask ourselves, because till this we are not going to use any ratio. Even this answer પણ સાચો જ પડશે, but from this onwards the remaining entire portion is wrong. And mind well, ખોટું પડે છે એ તો problem છે જ, it's definitely not good, but at the same time you have to waste your time also. આટલું લખવામાં you have to waste your time કે જેનું output 0 છે. That's why it is not good, and so understand the question properly. Okay, the capital ratio is 3:2, which we are not using anywhere. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit. Now listen again, 8% is okay, but commission on net profit after deduction of such commission. Now these are the confusing words. Our words thoda confusion karave છે. Actually what they said, Amruta, one of the partner, is going to get commission, but on which amount? On which amount Amruta is going to get commission? That amount 8% on profit. Yes, on profit after charging such commission. So what we can say? Let's assume the profit is 100 after charging commission. Commission minus karya pachi, if the profit is 100, the rate of commission is 8%. Is it okay? Samjhay છે? Nahi? Okay. Let's try to understand the same with a small example. Let's say after commission the profit is 100. We assume only. Here the rate of commission is 8%. What they say? Amruta is going to get 8% commission on profit after charging. Commission charge kya pachina profit upar 8%. So on this 100, we have to calculate commission 8 rupees. Okay? Is there any problem? So can I say the total of these two, 108, can I say is your before commission? Before 108, commission 8. Let's remove this line so you can understand it better. Okay, I am writing it again. Before it is 108, commission is 8, and so after that it is 100. Okay, so by this way, but see what happened, majority of the students unfortunately are not interested in this. They are just craning this, which we don't prefer. It should not be the alternate. Clear? Before commission 108, commission 8, so naturally after commission 100, and on that basis they framed a formula. Because over here if you consider, so it comes to 108. Okay, it's given. So again, let's go through the question again. Amruta and Diya are the partners of a firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Capital ratio, which is not useful. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit after deduction of 100 rupees ऊपर है 8 rupees आपका है. And before commission it comes to 108, and that's why we took 108 over here in the special formula. What amount will be received by Amruta if profit of the year is 96,876? Profit of the year. Kono profit? Not of Amruta. Amruta no profit nathi. This profit is of the firm. That's why we say total profit is given. Let's solve this. Total profit 96,876. Sorry. Rate of commission, that is 8%. Profit and loss ratio 1:1. Remember the theory lectures. As per Partnership Act 1932, whenever profit and loss ratio is not given, is not specified, it is always equal. And that's why we took 1:1. Even because we are special students, we are extraordinary students, we are going to mention this. Apane khabar hai that why this 1:1. See, this is not compulsory, and now does not make any difference. But why we want to write as not given? That the paper checker can understand that this particular student is having conceptual depth. Okay? So 1:1. First step to find commission. Commission, the formula must be written obviously. Commission equals to profit into rate 8% upon 100 plus rate. Your profit, that is 96,876 into 8% upon 108. By doing the calculation in our calculator, we will find 7,176. What we find? That is the commission. 7,176 rupees. Okay? Just box it. So, paper checker ne, if you prepare proper box, paper checker ne, paper check karvama, it becomes easier for them. And if they find the answers very easily, naturally marks પણ તમને એટલા smoothly મળી શકે. Second, not the question, obviously, the topic. First step, we find the commission, then to find divisible profit. divisible profit equals to total profit minus commission. So 96,876 minus 7,176, that is 89,700 divisible profit. Okay, again box. Third, share of Amruta, because આપણે અમૃતાની total income decide કરવાની છે. So share of Amruta equals to 89,700 into 1 by 2. How this 1 by 2 comes? Individual, that is 1 upon total, that is 1 plus 1, 2. So 89,700 into 1 by 2, that is 44,850. This is the share of Amruta. Now, total amount received by Amruta, which actually they asked. Final answer आपका option. So total amount received by Amruta equals to commission, because she is getting amount of commission, plus share of profit. Her amount of commission is 7,176 plus share of profit 44,850. So the total she will receive 52,026. 52026. Okay, and finally you have to write the answer in a statement form. So Amruta will receive total rupees 52,026. Okay, फटाफट very quickly just go through it. Total profit, rate of commission and payment ratio. Steps always properly લખવાના. એટલે પછી ક્વેશ્ચનમાં again you don't need to go through. Find out commission. Special method છે. So commission equals to profit into rate upon 100 plus rate. How can we come to know special method છે? Total profit આપેલો હોય. So 96,876 into 8 upon 108. You will get 7,176. Divisible profit, second step. Divisible profit equals to profit minus commission. So you will get 96,876 minus commission amount. You will get 89,700 as divisible profit. આ profit આપણે partners ને distribute કરવાનો હોય. So share of Amruta equals to 89,700 into 1 by 2, because 1:1 is the ratio. So 44,850 is the amount of Amruta's share. And finally, total amount received by Amruta, that is commission plus share of profit. So that is 7,176 commission and share of profit 44,850. Total civil ratio 52,026. Is there any problem, confusion, query? No? Good. So just note down these things properly with title, with box. જ્યાં પણ rupees આવતા હોય, percentage આવતા હોય, sign કરજો without fail. After solving this, આ solve કરેલો, continuation માં you are going to solve illustration 2 of your textbook. Okay? Just go through it properly.